In this video, we will be reviewing the Captora workflow solution. Our workflow utility is a very unique function compared to other applications in the marketplace today. It can be specifically designed to meet your needs as it relates to your current processes. The most common application of the workflow solution trigger internal or external emails and text messages, and even activities that can be auto-assigned based on a specific workflow. But let's quickly review some general examples in our out-of-the-box solution. The only action that is normally needed to trigger a specific workflow is the intake user changing a status on the intake and then clicking save. One example of this is where a staff member has gotten through an intake and now needs an attorney or supervisor to review the notes of the intake in order to make a decision on how to proceed. By simply changing the status to under review and clicking save, Captora automatically merges the information from the contact card and the intake and then sends an email to the appropriate person or people based on the type of case, and even other factors like which office if needed. This email here is generated automatically, and this is an example of what that email can look like within Outlook. These emails are normal functioning Outlook emails and can therefore be replied to automatically and go right back to the intake owner to instruct them on how to proceed with the potential case. This is extremely useful when the attorney receiving the email is out of the office but can still access their emails on their handheld device. Another common utilization of the workflow solution is the turndown notification. So in the situation where the intake status is saved as a turndown, you can actually generate an automatic email here as well. It is important to note that these email templates are easily customizable, and this is just an example of one of those emails. If you prefer to have a written notification instead, or if the contact does not have a valid email address, Captora will generate a task that gets either auto-assigned to a specific person, if this is their job role, or assigned to a pool of people to generate that turndown letter and then mail it out. Captora also has document merge capabilities to easily generate these hard copy documents. For the hard copy sign-up packages or mail-out packages that need to be created, sent, and tracked, Captora has a workflow solution for this as well. By simply changing the status as sign-up pack is needed and clicking save, Captora automatically creates a specific record for this intake under the sign-up package tracking queue. This queue allows your staff to track the status of where each sign-up package stands. Once the sign-up package is mailed out and the record is marked as sent, it also marks the date sent automatically for you. This will then remove this record from the in queue screen and move it over into the sent queue. So as you're following up with your packages that have not been returned, you can work from the sent queue and change the status as needed. For groups that have a higher volume of packages that are being mailed out, we recommend using our automated follow-up task as well, so that your staff is making the appropriate number of attempts to reach a potential client in order to get the package signed and sent back in a timely manner. Again, these are only just a few examples of the functionality of our workflow engine, and workflow can be created to meet your specific process needs.